Welcome to my channel, Train, Don't Strain, with me, Mountain Jace. I hope you've all had a chance to check out my previous series of gym workout videos, aptly named Foundations of Fitness. If you haven't yet, I strongly suggest that you do. They will revolutionize the way you approach your gym training sessions. This set, called Do You Train Like a Pussy or a Majestic Lion in the Gym, is nothing to do with cats and everything to do with getting you on the right path for the most explosive training sessions of your life, thanks to my evolution in fitness rather than the hype, BS and gear worship that so many people sadly succumb to. Sometimes you just have to go back to basics, even if this means there's a chance your girlfriend will now get pregnant. So, flipping things over, in this episode, I just want to remind everyone, simple as it might sound, how and why gym training gets you fit. When you expose a muscle to strenuous activity, two things happen. The body sees the micro-tearing damage to the fibers caused through exertion, which, if sufficient, will alert the brain that your very survival depends on the muscle being not only quickly repaired, but that additional performance capacity is needed in anticipation that perhaps next time more effort will be required. Secondly, muscles need oxygen to activate their power potential. Therefore, if repeated often enough, your cardiovascular system will improve as your heart and lungs become stronger through work. The former leads to increased performance, the latter to you becoming fitter. All very obvious, you might say. Yet, every time I train, I see 9 out of 10 people not only ignoring these fundamentals, but seemingly happy to do the opposite. In what kind of bizarro world am I living in, where people do 7 seconds of crappily executed movement on a machine, in which they mainly use mass displacement to make the weights go up, see my last video on this topic, and then simply let the bar or machine's handles drop under zero effort back to the starting position. See episode 10 of my Foundations of Fitness as to why this is just so dumb. After doing this, they then sit staring at their phones or looking blankly into the horizon for 300 to 400 seconds. Guys, you've got to put the work in to work out. Is getting fit truly that easy? Is running 2 meters, followed by a long rest, then running another 2 meters, done 500 times a day, the same for your muscles and lungs as running 1,000 meters in one go at full pace? I think not. So, it's time to get honest with yourself. Stop all the hype. Stop all the fake training. Stop all the BS and train as though you're worth the benefits it will bring. Never wait more than 90 seconds between sets. Never add more weight than a single muscle can control, both along the positive and negative range. And never think that cheating your body won't go unpunished. If the weight free falls on the negative part of the movement, if you are not breathing heavily, and if you do nothing during your gym session for 99% of the time you're there, then you're killing your own chances of ever getting fit. Engage muscle fibers deeply, fill your lungs with replacement oxygen, and leave your phones in the locker. Each episode in my Foundations of Fitness address exactly what you need to do to turn basics into achievements. And my upcoming series on me training each muscle in turn will show you exactly what works and what doesn't. So, See you on the next episode.